back to our podcast, Learning Investment from Zero. I'm Yulia, your host for today. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to start investing even if you are a complete beginner. And to help us understand everything clearly, we have two special guests. First, a financial analyst, Saskia. Hi Saskia.
Hi Julia and hi everyone. Thanks for having me today. I'm excited to share some beginner-friendly investment insight today.
Okay, and our second guest is Nadia, someone who just started her investment journey a few months ago. Hi Nadia.
Hi Julia and hi everyone. I'm so excited and I'm so happy to share my experience as an investor.
Okay, let's begin with something simple. Saskia, many beginners feel scared or confused when they gear toward investment. So why do you think that happens?
I think it's very normal, but people often believe investment is only the way to live for experts, but in reality, investment simply way grow your money every time. And then anyone can start even with a small amount. And then what matters most is consistency and the basic understanding.
Okay, that's reassuring. So Nadia, since you are new to investing, what was your biggest challenge at the beginning?
Honestly, my biggest challenge was fear of losing money because I didn't know which currency to use, what product to save, and then how much I should invest. And it all felt overwhelming.
Okay, so how did you overcome that fear?
I started by learning the basics, like what stock, bonds, and mutual fund are. And I watched some videos and listened beginner-friendly podcasts on media social like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and others. And then I start, and then I started. I start with low risk products such as money market, mutual funds, just for build confidence.
Oh, nice, Nadia. So, Saskia, for someone like Nadia who is just starting out, what would you say is the first step to begin investing properly?
Okay. And the first step is set your financial goals and then ask yourself what I'm investing, and then maybe it's emergency saving or big home, and then a long-term retirement needs, and then once you know your goal, you choosing the right investment becomes much easier.
Okay, and what comes next?
The next is understanding your risk tolerance. Some people can handle a short-term market up and down, while others get stressed easily. And then if you are causing start with a low risk option, and if you are comfortable with a more risk and want a long-term growth, you can choose stock or equity fund.
Okay, makes sense, Saskia. So, Nadia, after starting with several products, did your perspective on this investing change?
Yes, a lot. I realized that investing isn't as scary as I imagined. Because you just need to start small, be patient, and keep learning. I also made it a habit. A fixed amount every month.
Okay, before we wrap up, Saskia, could you share three simple tips for listeners who want to start investing from zero?
Then of course, first step start easily, even with a small one. And time is the biggest advance in investing. The second tips, diversify. Don't put your money into our one product. And then the three tips, avoid emotional decisions. Markets will rise and fall, but consistency is what matters most.
Okay, great advice, Saskia. So, Nadia, any tips from your beginner experience?
Yes, of course. For everyone, don't compare yourself to others. Because everyone has different goals and timelines, so just focus on your progress.
Okay, thank you so much, Saskia and Nadia, for sharing your insight today. And to our listeners, we hope this episode helps you feel more confident about starting your investment journey. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, but you just need to start. So thanks for tuning into learning investment from zero. Don't forget, make sure to follow our podcast for more simple financial lessons. See ya in the next episode. Bye bye.